Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things and I like to vlog vacations and food all around the world. So today for you, I have Graze, and this is the first box for the month of June. This box is $15. Currently we get it bi-monthly, and you get the little pamphlet. It tells you what's in your box. It gives you all the nutritional value on the back. And I'll link my code below. If you use my code, you get your first and your fifth box for free. But let's see. So this is what it looks like, and you get 8 packets here. And usually I eat one of these for lunch and I'm fine until dinner. So for me, this is basically 8 meals. So, oh, it looks like we have some repeats. We do have some repeats. So this is a repeat, peanut butter and jelly. I like it, it's good. Here we have natural vanilla seed. That is also stuck, it's stuck. Ouch. Okay, well, it's good, but it seems like the vanilla is all stuck together. We have natural energy nuts Graze. I'm not sure if that is a repeat or not. Antioxidants, vitamin E nuts. We have Anytime Energizer. I don't think that is a repeat, but the cinnamon banana energizer is a repeat. Sweet and salty is a repeat. And vitamin E defense, I believe, is also a repeat. And then on the bottom, you get a $50 gift card from HelloFresh. And I won't use it because we do not like HelloFresh. We tried HelloFresh and we got rotten food, so it's just not something we care for. We do prefer Plated and Home Chef, though. Those are some good ones, so if we ever got coupons for those, we'd use those. But, okay, you guys, that is the first box of Graze for the month of June. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.